Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ship internationally, on the Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser this you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So opened, once you actually opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course if you are logged in into your account, you'll find here the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find that option at the top right corner, sign in. Just go and click on it to log in or to create an account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll be able to do both options if you have a Google account, a Facebook account, or even Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. Of course, once you logged in or you just created your account, you'll find yourself, as we said, here at this homepage with the welcome back sentence. So, what we said in the beginning of the video, how to ship internationally. First of all, you would like to go to the shop manager at the top right corner icon. Just go and click on that. And from here, you would like to go and click at the listing option at the left here. So here at your listing, you'll find all your items here that you are buying on, or selling on your shop. Of course, if you want to ship your items internationally, you would like to go and click at add a listing at the top right corner if you have any items here, and of course to have an item if you don't have it, to start even shipping if someone buys. So if you already have some, just go to the settings option, click on it, then click add the shipping settings. From here, you would like, of course, if you have already products, you would like to go and create a profile of shipping. So, of course, the standard shipping, here you will find your home country, and here you will find everyone else. Of course, from here you would like to add or to let everyone else to ship internationally. Of course, if you want to add just some specific countries, you can just go and add like some locations here and delete this. Of course, you can, as we said, just let that for everyone else. When you finish, of course, you can just save your profile and you will be actually good to go. Of course, you can even add some shipping upgrades if you want. And you will need actually to fill whatever required or mandatory, and you will recognize that by this star. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.